In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam WebHelper not responding. So the first step to do this is just to close up Steam completely. So click X and then over here make sure to open up the task tray and close it from here as well. So it's Steam. And now what you want to do is locate Steam, the Steam directory. So if you have it on your desktop, you can just right click, open file location. Otherwise, you can just search Steam and then find it right here and then open file location from here. If you happen to end up on another shortcut just like this, you can identify shortcuts by this blue arrow on a white square. Just do that again, so right click and then open file location, and then you'll be on the actual directory right here. So now right click on the steam.exe file and then click show more options if you're on Windows 11. If you're not, then you're gonna see the properties option. Click on that and then click on compatibility. Check this box, make sure it's Windows 8, and then check this box as well. Now click apply and then OK. And now you can close this, and a good thing to do just to make sure all the changes are saved and everything reloads perfectly, you can restart your PC. So just restart it right here and everything should be good. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.